Hello friends, welcome to Easy Anatomy for Medicos. Let's learn how to draw planes of abdomen. Kindly subscribe to Easy Anatomy for Medicos if you haven't subscribed yet. Start with zippered process and costal margins. Draw pubic symphysis, anterior superior iliac spines, clavicle, and draw vertical planes. These vertical planes are mid-clavicular line passing through the middle of clavicle, passing through tip of 9 costal cartilage, and passing through mid-inguinal point. Let's draw horizontal plane. First plane is transpyloric plane. It passes through tip of 9 costal cartilage anteriorly and L1 vertebra posteriorly. Transtubercular plane passes through tubercle of iliac crest and L5 vertebra posteriorly. Two more horizontal planes. These are subcostal plane and transumbilical plane. Subcostal plane passes through lowest border of 10 costal cartilage anteriorly and L3 vertebra posteriorly, whereas transumbilical plane passes through umbilicus anteriorly and disc between L3 and L4 posteriorly. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe Easy Anatomy for Medicos. Thank you.